So today we'll take a look at what's called the subsidiary angle. If we look at this, say 3 cos theta plus 4 sin theta, we can rearrange it into this format here, r cos theta minus alpha, where r and alpha will be numerical values. So if you're asked to do a question like this will be exactly the same as this, we're just rearranging it. So if we expand this first of all, and we've seen this before, like sine a plus b, if we expand it out, you get this. So if we expand out this one, we get r multiplied by all of this expanded out. It's cos theta cos alpha plus sine theta sine alpha. So once we expand out cos of theta minus alpha, we get all of this multiplied by r. So if we go to expand that out, you would get r cos theta cos alpha plus r sin theta sin alpha. Remember, this is the same as this, which is the same as that, same as this one. So if we compare the coefficient of cos theta here, it's r cos alpha, and the coefficient up here is 3. So there's one equation. Same again, and you'll always compare your cos theta and sin theta with this, or whatever's given up here. We have the coefficient is r sin alpha, compare the coefficient of sin theta up here equals 4. So once you get into this formula like this, you have to work out the values of r and alpha. So if you see sine and cos, you've seen it before in AS level. If you do sine alpha divided by cos alpha, it's tan. So in this case, if we do equation 2 divided by equation 1, equation 2 is r sine alpha equals 4, and then equation 1, r cos alpha equals 3. Divide them both, the r's will cancel out. Sine over cos is tan alpha is equal to 4 over 3, 4/3. If you go through and get the inverse tan of that, then the inverse tan of 4/3, you get 53.113 degrees. And if you've got alpha, you can sub it back into equation 1 or equation 2. So if we sub that alpha back into this one, r sine 53.113 equals 4. Divide 4 by the sine of 53.113. The value of r will then equal 5. So when we've totally finished, we can rewrite this expression as r, which is 5. Then there we got our 5 cos theta minus alpha. And we've worked out theta to be 53.113. The reason why we do it, if we rearrange this, we can solve some equations using this. We can also easily find minimum and maximum values, which we'll do in later classes.